As the first light of dawn stretches across the sky, we set out on our journey toward a hidden waterfall nestled deep in the Western Ghats, in the heart of the Sahyadri region. We ride through peaceful patches of earth where the world feels untouched, just green hills, birdsong, and silence. The locals stood by the roadside, selling fresh Java apples. The road greets us with a soft breeze and winding curves, a quiet rhythm only the mountains can compose. The air, cool and crisp, carries the scent of wet earth and wild blooms. Every bend in the road reveals a new painting. This road trip is more than movement. It's a moment in time, a slow, deliberate glide through a land that speaks in colors, textures, and quiet revelations. Along the way, we're not alone. A few bikers pass us, some riding solo, others in pairs. We exchange nods, sharing that silent bond only travelers on the same road understand. Everyone's chasing something: peace, beauty, freedom, maybe all three. Small roadside waterfalls tumble from the rocks above. Monkeys lounge near the road, curious and playful. As the engine hums beneath us, the landscape begins to shift. We cruise through narrow roads hugged by tall cliffs on either side. And after a few hours, the mountains grow thicker, the road rougher, and then it ends. We've reached the edge of the wild, the beginning of the trail. The trail begins quietly, almost hesitantly, beneath the dense canopy of the Sahyadri forest. The sound of water echoes through the trees, flowing gently over ancient rocks, weaving its way down from the mountains like it's been doing so for centuries. Birds call out from the treetops. We walk for hours, but time loses its meaning here. And then the forest parts, and we arrive at a place that takes the breath right out of you. A panoramic view unfolds before us, towering green mountains all around, a vast lake resting far below. It brushes against your face like nature's own welcome. After a while, we continue. The path narrows and soon we find ourselves at a hanging bridge, swaying gently in the wind, offering safe passage over the rugged terrain. I take a step, and the view opens up again. Trees below dance with the breeze. Water rushes beneath my feet. The entire landscape stretches out in front of me like a dream I didn't know I had. We cross the bridge, and just ahead, another surprise. In an open patch of green, a group of horses graze peacefully, undisturbed by our presence. Sometimes, when you least expect it, the forest shows you its soul, not just through silence and stillness, but through life. At last, we arrive, and there it is, a waterfall roaring with life, yet graceful in its fall. Water tumbles down the rocks in a dance older than time. Its mist catching the morning sun like 1,000 tiny stars. In that moment, standing before nature's raw power and elegance, we feel something profound, a stillness, a sense of wonder, and we are reminded, that sometimes the most powerful connections in life are the ones we share with the world around us.